To those of you that love playing game, you are a lover of game, you want to make money online using gaming means, then come close because this video is for you. Now, I want to tell you guys everything about Magic Car gaming app. Over the time that this app is available, we've seen so many withdrawals. I've had so many questions, even on my WhatsApp group. So I decided to make this video. To those of you, my WhatsApp member watching me right now, my new viewers, subscribers, and everybody. So now I want to give my own verdict. Is this game actually paying? How do you do it? So this is a step-by-step guide. Now, there are tricks to do this particular game, play this particular game. So take note of everything I'm going to say here, because if you don't take note, you might not be able to withdraw, even though this gaming platform is paying, but you might not be able to withdraw because there are some things you need to do to withdraw. Okay, so this particular platform is legit, is paying, but until you do something, until you put in that effort, because remember, those that owns this app, they are human, okay, and they want to make money from this app also, and that is why they invented it. So we that is using it to make money, because this particular app is used for two purposes. Is either you use it for entertainment, just to while away time, or you are using this game to earn some funds to yourself. Okay, so this is not a get rich quick app. So if you're looking for app that will give you that big money to buy all these luxurious things, then this app is actually not for you. But it's a side hustle, not a passive income. Okay, a side hustle, just to put some little money in your pocket to do whatever you want to do. So now this is the gaming app, as you can see here. Okay, so at the top here, I'm going to be using my arrow for you so you could understand very well. Now this is money here, okay, and this is another money here. These two money, okay, you can withdraw the one of dollar, okay, this S sign, you can withdraw. Now this 1.13 million you were seeing, that coins is just for if you want to repair your car, if your car had issues, or maybe you've hit, where you're not supposed to hit several times, and the app is asking you to repair your car and do whatever. So it's going to be charged from this up money here, okay? So, but before we get into that, let me play the game for you. This is a motor game, okay? And it's very, very easy to play. So first, let me not rush. Let me take you to how it's being played and everything, okay? Now, immediately you open it. The referral code I'm going to drop now is going to display on the screen. Make sure you use it. Now, if you use it, it will make you get closer to your withdrawal period. Okay, so if you use that referral code, they're going to give you 1,500 naira. So that 1,500 naira will be converted into dollars. Okay, so it's very, very important to use it. Okay. Now, let me play the game. Let's assume that you've entered the referral code, like you've downloaded the app, you've signed up, you've put in your name. Make sure you have a PayPal account for your withdrawals, okay? So immediately after you've done all this, then you start playing your games. You're not going to have this huge amount of money here, this 11K, this green note, 11K naira. You're not going to have it. Yours is going to be 0 because you're just new, okay? So now let's just play and see. As you can see, so now you see this coins here given to you. This coins here given to you, okay, is going somewhere. Now let's click on it. Let's click confirm. Okay, so now it will add up to this place. Okay, so it's going to add up to this place. Okay, it's going to add up to this place. Now, as you can see, you're seeing exclamation mark here, right? This red exclamation mark, you can see it, right? Now it means something. So after you play your game, now down here, you're seeing another exclamation mark, right? Okay, I want to use the brush for you so that you can understand. Okay, so underneath here, where this red pencil is pointing to, there is another exclamation mark there. Okay, as you can see. Okay, now let me tell you what you do. Immediately you start playing your game. Anywhere you see this exclamation mark, it means there is something you need to claim there. Now, if you click on it, okay, now as you can see, for me, I've gone very far, okay? You is not going to show you this. Now, this long-term shortage, as far as it highlights green, click on it and click I understand. Now, until it turns gray. Okay, once that is done, you will see that the exclamation mark is not there again. You've completed it. Now, coming to this mission, okay, coming to this mission underneath here, okay, now, today, I've not claimed my daily task. I've not claimed it. All right. So I needed to claim it. Okay. So this is it here. I have to claim it. Once I claim it, the exclamation mark will not be there again. Okay. So now let's claim it. So as you can see, I know now it's done. Okay. As you can see, the exclamation mark has disappeared. Now there is another exclamation mark here again. You click on it. Now as you can see, this one highlighted, this is today's shortage. Then you're going to click I understand. You can see it's done. Now this grand prize here, okay, sorry guys. Now this grand prize here, okay, you need to click it every time to see in case you have anything there. Now this grand prize, immediately you click it, it's going to show you your tasks that you have completed. As you can see, we've completed like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, so we just have a little task here to finally complete everything we needed to complete. Okay, to show that this is a serious-minded person that wants to use this app to earn some cash to herself. Okay, so this mission here, as you can see, so I need to complete all this mission. Okay, and then this invite, then this is the number of your invite. Okay, so now you scroll down to this my inviter. So this place now, this is my inviter. This is the person that invited me. This is a code. Okay, yours is going to show none. Then you will click on the green icon telling you to enter your inviter's name, which is very, very important. Enter her code or his code. Once you enter it, it is going to give you 1,500. Like I said, it is very, very important. Okay, now let's go back to this green note because we are playing this game to make money, right? So now let's click it. Now you see this icon here, this green note here. Okay, this green note here, this is where the main money is. Okay, now if you click on it, as you can see, actually make a withdrawal of $9.8 here. Okay, now after you make your $9.8, this is where people ask questions like, now I've withdrawn, I've not seen the money and thereabout. Okay, now after you make your $9.8 and you want to withdraw, you need to complete any of these tasks here. Let me use the brush for you. Now you need to complete any of these tasks here. Either you complete this or you complete this. Okay, so and because of that, because when it comes to this area, it's very, very stressful. So I would advise you, when you reach the first withdrawal, which is 9.8, please don't withdraw. Okay, don't withdraw. At least play until second withdrawal or the third withdrawal, which is, I think, is 23 or 24 point something. Okay, or 34 or $35. The first withdrawal threshold is 9.8. The second one is, I think, is 23 or $24. Then the third one should be $34. Okay, so if you can't wait till $34, at least the second one, because that 9.8, it doesn't worth the stress. So now this one, let me use my brush for you. Okay, now this one now is either you invite friends, okay, number of friends invited, which is the guest, or you complete this. Okay, so before you start sharing your referral link, please make sure that you are ready to withdraw. Okay, immediately you are ready to withdraw, then you make your withdrawals. After you make your withdrawals, then it will start asking for this number of invited guests, which is, if it is this second one you want to use to make your withdrawals, okay, number of invited guests, you will now start sharing your referral link or code, invite code. So as people join, okay, because if you send your referral code, people join before you meet your withdrawal threshold, it's going to be difficult. They're still going to be asking you for more friends. Do you understand? Now, for me, I prefer this certificate, completion of certificate, which is the first one. Okay, now you click on it. Okay, I'm jumping a part. Now let's go back. Immediately you withdraw your money, it will show successful, but they will tell you that they can't allow you to process that withdrawal 100% because there is a task you have not completed. So immediately this portal will open for you. Okay, so immediately after this portal open for you, please listen carefully. Immediately after this portal opens for you, they will now ask you to choose one out of the two, and they're not asking you to do the two tasks, they're asking you to do one out of it. Okay, for me, I choose the first one. Okay, so I will now click on it. Okay, you can earn a certificate by completing daily tasks and opening active treasure chests. Okay, I'll go to get. Now, this is what they are asking you. You must meet up with this chests. Okay, So that is how it is. You don't really need much to do here. Your own is just to open, then advert will show. You take it. Okay, let me complete one for you to see. Now this every video, okay, as you can see, we're having 0/5 here. I don't know if you guys can see it. We are having 0/5 here, right? Now let me show you how to complete it. Okay, now let's click to finish. So you need to be very patient.
That loan app that is hot these days, Okash, he said they can borrow me 7,000 naira.
So I need to silence it because the noise is too much. So this is the second advert now. You will finish the 2 adverts, okay? So this times icon here, this cancel icon here, we'll now click on it, okay? So as you can see, your reward, you've gotten your reward. You click I know, okay? Now as you can see, now look at the task here. Every video, right? Now look at the task here, down here. Okay, now this is the task that we just completed just now. This is it, okay? So now it's showing 1/5. You know, it's 0/5 before. So that's how you just complete all these tasks here. Let's go back, okay? So that's how we're going to be doing it. Now, immediately you complete all your tasks, right? You see this chest, okay, is going to open for you. Everything is going to show mark. Okay, immediately you show mark, you will know that you're done. Okay, all these things must be tick green. So as you can see, out of 10, I've completed 6. It's remaining this one, and this one, right? So that is how it is. Immediately, now after you are done with all these tasks, you see that your $9.8 or your $23 that you withdraw, it will now come back again. Okay, then they will now show you again that you should click withdraw, which is the second time. Okay, so now you'll be wondering, the one I withdraw, where is it? It's still within the app, but it's just that they've not pave way for it to enter your PayPal. They are still holding it. Okay, so after you complete all these things, then it will now come back again. You will now withdraw. Okay, finally, and it will land in your PayPal. Okay, so this is my second account, right? Now let me show you here that I've actually withdrawn. Now you see this money here. Okay, let me show you using my brush. Okay, now you see this money here, this one here, this 1.35 million, Abby. Now, beside it, you see a dollar box. Okay, you see a dollar box. Now, that one is very, very easy to withdraw. Now, if you click on the dollar box now, as you can see, you see this money here. It's very, very easy to withdraw. It doesn't take time, okay? I'm due for another withdrawal now. But I'm not going to withdraw it, okay? So, the one I withdraw before, let me show you guys. The one I withdrew before, and it actually entered my PayPal. This is live, so I'm not hiding. I'm not sugarcoating anything. I'm not hiding anything. Now you see it, right? Okay, 0.65, right? I'm not supposed to withdraw. I'm supposed to leave it at least $2, $5 upward. But I did it so that you guys will know that yes, this app is really paying. Okay, but it needs time. It needs stress. This app is going to stress you, but you will receive your money. Okay, so that withdrawal is very, very easy than the green note. And the green note, that is where the real money is. Okay, so these people that invented this game, they know what they are doing. They actually know what they are doing. Now, what are you saying here? 0.65, right? Now let's go back to my PayPal for you to know that I actually received this money. Okay, now can you see it? Can you see it? For you to know, can you see it? So now let's go to our email. Okay, now let me go back for you to know. Can you see it up here? Magic car, okay? Magic car. Do you guys see it? Okay. Now let's click on it. Do you see it? 0.65. No charges. For you to know that this app is really paying, okay? So nobody is sugarcoating, nobody is doing scamming or thereabouts. Now can you see? Congratulations on receiving payment from Magic Car. So that is how it is. So now our $9.8 that we withdraw, immediately I'm done with the quest. Okay, immediately I'm done with the quest of all this. $9.8 is going to land in my PayPal again. Then I'm building this one already. Okay, so please, if you reach minimum or withdrawal of 9.8, please don't withdraw. Just close eyes and complete it at least to the second withdrawal threshold or the third withdrawal threshold. Because for me, that 9.8, it doesn't worth the stress. Okay, so that you know that yes, you are doing your stress once and for all. Okay, so that is how it is, families. If you want to change your skin, this is where you're going to change the skin. Okay, that's where you're going to change the skin. So this game is very, very easy. So if you have watched to this point, do well to like, do well to give me subscribe, like, and turn on your notification bell. Okay, and do well to join my community, join my Telegram, join my WhatsApp, and like, subscribe, turn on your notification bell. Okay, so that when valuable content such as this, like I'm going to bring more of apps that are paying like this to you. Okay, so do well to stick around this channel. Okay, see you next time in my next video. When my withdrawal hits my PayPal, I'm still going to make another video for you guys, or I will share it in the WhatsApp community. Okay, so guys, thank you. See you in my next video. Bye.